Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Monday, the 5th of June. All right, taking a look at what happened on Friday. Of course, we had non-farm payroll job numbers, data due from the US. The data itself was confusing to investors. Overall, the US dollar lost ground against all the majors. We saw the average hourly earnings coming at 0.3% on forecast. New jobs was massively higher than expected at 339,000 new jobs, but also unemployment rate increased to 3.7%. So there was more jobs, unemployment increased, and job growth was moderate. So the data was quite confusing. Investors pretty much stayed away. US dollar lost ground against most of the majors from that data. That's all that happened on Friday. So let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. Now, this morning, before I show you my chart that I want to show you, let's quickly recap on Friday's chart. There's something that I just want to highlight to you. If you see my screen here, I'm back at the Aussie Kiwi. If you recall on Friday, this was the candle that still had not formed yet. I'm just pointing at it right now. And if you go back and look at that session on Friday, you'll see that at that time of the recording, the candle was very little. It was about this big, and it should have remained as an inside candle. Then we were looking to become sellers. Now, this is what I'm trying to explain, that if the candle breaks on the upside, which this one did, basically we would have had a pending order here to try and sell. And now that never played out, so it just basically this trade never happened. It just broke up, and it doesn't do us any harm, but I just wanted to highlight it to you. So it's not about being correct with these setups that we look at and these trade ideas. We're trying to find setups that have the highest probability that will assist us to get those wins that we want to get. In this case, when we broke on the upside, that probability diminished significantly, and so I move on and let this one go. All right, so this morning the chart that I want to look at is this one. It's the US CAD on a daily time scale. Now, we've previously already had an opportunity to take a couple of trades here. We can see that this support level is quite strong. Okay, we've been there on a number of occasions, 4 in fact, and we are approaching this level again one more time over here. So what we want to see is, let's see if we can get a reversal pattern here, which would mean that the market has come down to this level again, which is that support level. And then if it shows us a sign of reversing, that would indicate that that support level could possibly bounce one more time and give us a winning trade. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, at the moment we're not there yet, but let's say it could end up being a candle that goes down like that and another one like that, and then that would be the setup for us to become to place our pending orders and become buyers in this particular market. So there you have it. US CAD daily time scale is our chart of the day this morning. All right, what is on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? Well, sleepy Monday, slow start to the week, nothing scheduled for this morning. So that's it. That pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.